So previously we have talked about the method overloading in Python, where we have multiple methods with the same name but they have different parameters. And the important thing is all of the methods are located inside one single class. And let's now talk about the method overriding in Python. So the method overriding occurs in case of inheritance, where we have one parent class and one child class. So the method overriding allows a subclass to provide a specific implementation of the method that is already defined in the parent class. So suppose inside the parent class we have one method called show. Now the child class can override this show method of the parent class. So here we can define the same show method, but here we can have a different implementation. So here the child class is overriding the method from the parent class and it is redefining the same method. Now to perform the method overriding, the name of both of the method has to be same. That means the parent and the child method name should be same, and also their parameters also should be same. So the parent and the child method parameters should be same, and then whenever the child redefines the same parent method in the child class, so that is the method overriding. So both of the method has to be in two different classes, where in case of overloading all the methods are located in the same class. So like an example, here we have one class animal, and inside the class we have a method called sound, and it prints animal sound. So that is the parent class. We have one child class dog, so the dog inherits from the parent class. So because we are performing method overriding, so the child class should redefine the parent method sound. So here we're gonna define the method sound. So here the name of the method should be same, and also the parameters of the method should be same. And now here we're gonna redefine the method and it will print bark. So the parent and the child has the method with the same name, with the same parameters, but their definition is different. So that is the method overriding. Now if we create one object of the child class dog and we use that object and we call the sound method, so this will invoke the child version of the sound method. So here we have the output bark. Now if we wanted to invoke the parent sound method, in that case we have to use the super. So we have to use super.sound, and this way we can invoke the parent's sound method. So here you can see we have this animal sound. So this way we can perform method overriding in Python. See you in the next one. Take care.